Tired of driving around in a slowpoke? Want a car that'll make your heart race and your wallet happy? Then you need to check out these cheap cars with over 200 horsepower. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the most affordable and powerful cars on the market. We'll be talking about their features, their performance, and why they're such a great value for the money. So, if you're looking for a cheap thrill ride, keep watching. Let's get started. Within first up, we have the 2002-2007 Infiniti G35 Coupe, a true driver's delight. Under the hood lies a snarling 3.5L V6 engine that unleashes a fury of 283 horsepower, propelling you from 0 to 60 mph in a mere 5.9 seconds. This sleek coupe not only boasts power, but also handles like a dream, thanks to its rear-wheel drive layout and sport-tuned suspension. And with a top speed of 155 mph, you'll be leaving your competition in the dust. All this while boasting a luxurious interior and a price tag of around $8,100. Next, we have the 2004-2006 Mercedes-Benz CLS 320 Coupe, a car that exudes elegance and sophistication without compromising on performance. Powered by a smooth and efficient 3.0L V6 diesel engine, it delivers 224 horsepower and a respectable 30.95 US mpg. This four-door coupe offers a comfortable and refined ride, making it perfect for those long highway cruises. But don't be fooled by its luxurious demeanor. It can still get up and go, reaching 60 mph from a standstill in just 7 seconds. And with a top speed of 153 mph, you'll be gliding past slower traffic with ease, all for around $7,300. 3. Mercedes-Benz ML 320, luxury SUV powerhouse. If you're looking for a blend of luxury, practicality, and performance, then the 2008-2009 Mercedes-Benz ML 320 is your perfect match. This SUV boasts a 3.0L V6 diesel engine that generates 224 horsepower and an impressive 24.5 US mpg. With its all-wheel drive system, you can tackle any terrain, from city streets to rugged off-road adventures. And with a spacious interior and comfortable seating for 5, it's perfect for family road trips or weekend getaways. Oh, and did we mention it can go from 0 to 60 mph in a quick 8.2 seconds and reach a top speed of 133 mph? Not bad for an SUV. All this for around $6,500. 4. Cadillac STS, American luxury with a powerful punch. For those seeking a taste of American luxury with a dash of performance, the 2004-2011 Cadillac STS is a compelling choice. Powered by a robust 4.6L V8 engine, it delivers a thunderous 325 horsepower and can rocket from 0 to 60 mph in a mere 6.2 seconds. This sedan not only offers impressive performance, but also pampers you with a luxurious interior, featuring top-notch amenities and a smooth, comfortable ride. And with a top speed of 155 mph, you'll be cruising in style wherever you go. Yours for around $5,900. 5. Audi A5 TFSI. If you're a fan of German engineering and appreciate a touch of European flair, then the 2008-2011 Audi A5 TFSI is a must consider. Powered by a turbocharged 2.0L engine, it delivers a spirited 211 horsepower and a thrilling 6.6-second 0-60 mph time. This coupe boasts a sleek and stylish design that turns heads wherever it goes. And with its precise handling and comfortable ride, it's a dream for those who love to take corners with confidence. Don't underestimate its fuel efficiency either, achieving a remarkable 3313 US mpg. And with a top speed of 149 mph, you'll have plenty of power for highway cruising. All this for a price tag of around $6,300. 6. Lexus LS 460. For those who demand the ultimate in Japanese luxury and performance, the 2006-2009 Lexus LS 460 is a force to be reckoned with. This full-size sedan boasts a monstrous 4.6L V8 engine that pumps out a staggering 381 horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 60 mph in a jaw-dropping 5.4 seconds. The LS 460 is the epitome of refinement and comfort, offering a plush interior with top-of-the-line amenities that will pamper you on every journey. And with a top speed of 155 mph, you'll be gliding down the road in pure luxury. All this for a price tag of around $5,900. That's right, you can experience the pinnacle of Japanese luxury for under $6,000. Next up, we have the 2007-2010 Porsche Cayenne S 4.8, a true SUV powerhouse. Under the hood lies a massive 4.8L V8 engine that unleashes a fury of 385 horsepower, propelling you from 0 to 60 mph in a mere 6.8 seconds. This SUV not only boasts impressive performance, but also offers a luxurious and refined ride, making it perfect for those who demand the best of both worlds. And with its all-wheel drive system, you can tackle any terrain with confidence. Oh, and did we mention it has a top speed of 155 amps? Not bad for an SUV. Yours for around 6,100. 8. Opel Astra J GTC, a practical hot hatch. If you're looking for a fun and practical hatchback that won't break the bank, then the 2013-2018 Opel Astra J GTC is a great option. Powered by a lively 1.6L turbocharged engine, it delivers a punchy 200 horsepower and a respectable 7.5-second 0-60 mph time. This hatchback offers a comfortable and spacious interior, making it perfect for everyday use. And with its sporty handling and affordable price tag, it's a great choice for those who want a car that's both fun and practical. All this for a price tag of around $7,500. For those seeking a stylish and affordable coupe, the 2005-2008 Peugeot 407 Coupe is a compelling choice. Powered by a smooth 2.7L V6 engine, it delivers a refined 204 horsepower and a comfortable 8.1-second 0-60 mph time. This coupe boasts a sleek and elegant design that turns heads wherever it goes. And with its spacious interior and comfortable ride, it's perfect for both everyday commutes and weekend getaways. All this for a price tag of around $5,800. If you're a fan of French flair and love a hot hatch, then the 2013-2015 Peugeot 208 I GTI THP is a must-consider. Powered by a turbocharged 1.6L engine, it delivers a spirited 200 horsepower and a thrilling 6.5-second 0-60 mph time. This hatchback offers a fun and engaging driving experience, making it perfect for those who love to take corners with confidence. And with its stylish design and comfortable interior, it's a great choice for everyday use as well. All this for a price tag of around $6,400. For those who need a practical and efficient wagon with a touch of luxury, the 2010-2015 Volvo V60 D5 is a great option. Powered by a turbocharged 2.4L diesel engine, it delivers a powerful 215 horsepower and an impressive 36.75 US mpg fuel economy. This wagon offers a spacious and comfortable interior, making it perfect for family trips or hauling cargo. And with its all-wheel drive system, you can tackle any weather condition with confidence. All this for a price tag of around $7,200. So, there you have it, folks. 11 incredible cars that prove you don't have to break the bank to own a beast on wheels. Remember, speed is not just about the car. It's about the feeling it gives you. It's about the adrenaline rush, the wind in your hair, and the freedom of the open road. What's your dream speed machine? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome car content.